Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an eSIM on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now, in order to add an eSIM, it's going to be quite simple here. You're going to go into your setting on your iPhone, click on Cellular, and it should look like this. Now, if you have another SIM, it's going to be listed there, and you can click on Add eSIM. But if you need to set it up for the very first time, you set up Cellular. And then this will give you the option to set up an eSIM card. So in order to set one up, all you're going to do is use QR code, or if you have your old phone, you can also transfer it. So let's go ahead and tap on use QR code. And you might be wondering where you're getting that QR code. That QR code will be provided to you from the company that you're getting your phone service, something like this. And all you're going to do is point that to the screen and it will go ahead and read that and scan the details for it. So this one, for example, when I scan on it, it's not picking it up because this SIM is invalid yet. Now it will work for you when you get it, of course, when you're activating your first time. This one has expired. Another way you can also do is enter the details manually. You'll see when your carrier activates the service, they'll give you that information as well, so you can fill it in if the QR code isn't working. And once you hit next, it will go ahead and activate your eSIM on your iPhone and you'll be good to go. As simple as that. And for some reason, if you entered your detail or the QR code isn't working, contact your carrier to just give you a new QR code or ensure that your account is active, because if it's not active, it will not be able to work. As it says, as you can see here, confirmation code sometime will be required if you use this method. So that's how you set up the eSIM on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.